If you want a quick and easy way to save your favorite websites for later, then learning how to create bookmarks in Firefox is super helpful. Bookmarks let you come back to pages instantly without having to search for them again, and the whole process only takes a few seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bookmark a page in Firefox step by step, plus I'll share a few simple tips to keep your bookmarks organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and go to the web page you want to save. This can be any site you visit often, like a news page, a recipe, a work resource, or even a video you want to return to later. Once the page is open, look at the address bar at the top of the browser. On the right side of the address bar, you'll see a star icon. This is the bookmark button, and all you need to do is click it. As soon as you click the star, Firefox will save the page as a bookmark, and the star will turn blue to show that it has been saved successfully. After that, a small pop-up box will appear. This box lets you customize the bookmark before finalizing it. Here, you can change the name of the bookmark if you want something shorter or easier to recognize later. You can also choose a folder location, which is really useful if you want to keep your bookmarks organized by topic, project, or category. For example, you might save work-related pages in one folder and personal sites in another. If you want, you can also leave the default name and folder exactly as they are. Once everything looks good, just click Done or Save in the pop-up box. That's it. Your bookmark is now stored in Firefox and ready to access anytime. To use it later, you can open your Bookmarks menu or toolbar and click the Saved page to revisit it instantly. If you plan to save a lot of websites, staying organized from the start will make a big difference. A simple folder system can save you time and help you find important pages much faster. So just to recap, open the page, click the star icon, adjust the name or folder if needed, and then click Done or Save. That's the fastest way to create bookmarks in Firefox. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick browser tutorials, app guides, and computer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.